video on a bolo, something to keep your eyes out for, and that is old school incandescent light bulbs. There is a market for them on eBay and they go for good money. And how do I know they go for good money? Because I just sold these. I picked these up at St. Vincent de Paul, 6 of them, and I sold them for 65 bucks plus shipping. Now, a little delicate to ship, but I'm working through that. A couple weeks ago, I sold this pack of 16 bulbs, GEE, 60 watts. I sold them for $70 plus shipping. So there's people that really like the old school bulbs, including myself, because when the incandescents stopped being manufactured, however many years ago, I went out and stocked up on a bunch of them, the 100 watts in particular. So there's a market. People very much like them. They don't always want the LEDs. And here's some that I found online that other people have made as well. We've got this pack here for $25. Looks like it's just 4 bulbs. Here's a case of 24 bulbs that went for $199, so that's about $8 a bulb. And then here we've got a few more. The case again went for $259, same kind of thing, 60 watt, and then next to it you can see there 3 packs, so it looks like maybe 12 bulbs altogether. 3 packs of 6 bulbs, 18 bulbs, and it went for 95 bucks. So there's money in incandescent light bulbs. A lot of the other resellers overlook them when they're in the thrift stores, and you can go to estate sales, you'll find them there. Oftentimes you'll find large caches of them. Other resellers just aren't paying attention to them because it's old technology, I guess. I don't really know, but lots of folks overlook them, and there is money in them. Now, when you go to list them on eBay, there's a catch. You cannot use the I word. They are incandescent, but that is a no-no word to say. I found that out because I listed some bulbs, and after about a day and a half, eBay came back and said, we took your listing down because incandescent bulbs aren't allowed to be sold in commerce anymore, or something to that effect. They're banned, right? Essentially, you can't sell them anymore, which is hilarious because incandescent light bulbs, as I just showed you, are being sold all over the place on eBay. So you can do it, you just can't use the I word. Instead, you gotta be a little creative, like I did. I said, not LED. But other people are more creative than me. So if you look at this one here, non-LED, old-fashioned. It's the old-fashioned bulb now. And if that doesn't tickle your fancy, maybe you call them antique, even. Antique bulbs. I would have never thought of incandescent bulbs as antique, but there we are. So you just have to call them something other than incandescent, and your buyers will find the bulbs that you are selling. So it looks like the 60 watts and the 100 watts go the best. That's just kind of just looking at the listings. And it looks like the pink ones, for whatever reason, seem to be in demand as well. Like I showed you a moment ago, those seem to be very much in demand. So just something to be on the lookout for. They're lightweight, easy to store, and there can be really good money in them, and you can pick them up typically for very little money. Until next time, happy thrifting.
I just want to thank you for your willingness to take a chance on a small channel like me and click on one of my videos. I very much appreciate it, and even though I'm a small channel, I hope that you get big information out of it.